Boy Abunda not offended by impersonators, Paulo Contis believes comedy must adapt to changing times. Paulo Contis on doing comedy now, ang tagal ko na sa bubble gang, ang layo nung pwede namin gawin before sa pwede namin gawin ngayon. Bubble gang star Paulo Contis spilled the tea about the difficulty of doing comedy now in his interview on the November 11 episode of Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Paulo and his co-star in the Kapuso Gag show Kokoy De Santos visited the high-rating talk show to promote Bubble Gang's Balisong BENTENUEBE, a two-part anniversary special that will begin this Sunday night. The Sparkle comedian said their brand of comedy has been adapting to the times so that their material and content would not offend any personality or sector. We are still learning because again hindi mo alam kung ano yung bigla mo ma-offend. Again, minsan mas natutunan mo ang mga ilang bagay kapag may humor. Pero minsan, may ma-offend kang tao, kasi minsan feeling nila pinagtatawanan mo sila, Paulo said. The long time ka Bubble added, hindi, gusto mo lang magpatawa. Pero at the same time, nakakaturo ka ng ibang mga bagay sa mga taong nanunood. Paulo Contis also noticed that Bubble Gang had to temper the humor that they can do nowadays compared to what they were doing before. Ang tagal ko na sa Bubble Gang, ang layo nung pwede namin gawin before sa pwede namin gawin ngayon. But again, of course we have to adapt. Pero habang nag-a-adapt ka para matututo ka sa mga makabagong humor ngayon, somehow we are still pushing the limits para sila rin matututo. While conversing with his guests, the King of Talk shared his thoughts about being impersonated by several comedians. Boy Abunda clarified that he doesn't mind the people who do impressions of him. The award-winning host explained, I'm one of the most parodied or spoofed diba? Tinatanong nila ako, ano ba reaksyon mo? Ako talaga hindi ako napipikon, totoo ho ito, mula sa aking puso. I've been spoofed by just about every comedian I think in the country. Yung may isa lang yung buhok dito, ako tuwang-tuwa ako dun, pero hindi lahat ganun. Paulo Contis and Kokoy De Santos grateful for being part of Bubble Gang. Both Paulo Contis and Kokoy De Santos are overflowing with gratitude that they are part of this legacy show of GMA7, which is now marking its 29th year on television. Paulo told Boy Abunda that being a cast member is a privilege, because Bubble Gang is already a household name. Ako it's a privilege to be part of the show. Hindi ako buong 29 years na nasa Bubble, if I'm not mistaken 15 to 18 years na ako. We've learned a lot, thanks to the Crit Ives and Kuya Batoy. Ang laking bagay niya sa confidence, ang laking bagay niya sa career na kumbaga pagkailangan mo. Household name na ang Bubble Gang. So I'm very lucky that I'm still in the show. Kokoy echoed what his co-star said. He noted, ang laking bagay Tito Boy lalo na sa karera. Kahit saan ako ngayon magpunta laging nasa sa akin kumbaga kadikit na ng pangalan ko laging nababanggit Bubble Gang. So, lagi ko sinasabi sa mga tropa ko lalo pagkasama ko sila kung saan-saan kami pumupunta. Sabi nila, grave no talagang ano ka sa Bubble Gang no. Sabi ko, ewan ko parang iba yung feeling pag nababanggit sa labas na parte ako ng Bubble Gang. Get to know the latest update on your favorite showbiz personality together with the King of Talk, Boy Abunda in Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, weekdays at 4:45 PM on GMA Afternoon. #FastTalk with Boy Abunda